What a night. I'm exhausted, just waiting. I had written a speech. I put it in my husband's pocket, but I've come out with the sales receipt instead. So I really wanted to thank, that's useless. I really wanted to thank the wonderful team on Eden who just really were very delicate and sensitive, and we all worked as a team and it was fantastic, and Aidan Kelly was just a wonderful husband. Obviously Leslie Conroy as well was amazing. Thank you to Eugene for such beautiful words, and Declan for the delicate approach, and Owen for making me look beautiful at times. Hard work. And my mum and my sister, because they're babysitting my little 2-month-old upstairs. So keep the noise down. And also, the last award that I won, I forgot to thank my husband. And everybody has upped the stakes tonight with the Valentine thing going on, so you've made it very difficult. But Stuart, my heart is yours. I love you very much.